Here are 5 reasons why Latinos make great life insurance agents. Point number 1, Latinos have a reputation of being incredibly hardworking. Here's the challenge. A lot of times you could work incredibly hard in the wrong industry. I remember myself, I was a very hard worker in the social work counseling field, but no matter how hard I worked, I wasn't going to make over maybe $60K a year. Once I got into the insurance business, I maintained my same hard work ethic. Then I made 100,000, then 200, eventually multiple 6 figures per year. It was my same hard work ethic, but I was in a better industry. Point number 2, in the insurance industry, there's not a lot of Hispanics. There's only 6% of the agents that are Hispanics, with 77% being Caucasian, only 8% being African American. Here's what this means. When there's not a lot of competition, that's an opportunity for you to take over that market. Right now, there's not a lot of Latino agents in the market, so that's an opportunity for, if you are Latino, to gobble up that market, because the reality is this: a lot of people, whether you think it's right or wrong, buy from people who look like them and talk like them because they feel comfortable. And when you're looking to make a financial decision, you want to feel comfortable with the person that you are buying from. Which leads me to point number 3. If you're Latino and you're bilingual, you have an even bigger advantage because you could service a ton of clients that prefer to speak Spanish. Nowadays, in the life insurance industry, you are not required to be a documented citizen or resident to be able to get life insurance. You can be an undocumented citizen and still get life insurance as long as you have an ITIN number. It's one of the advancements in the life insurance industry over the last 5 years. Point number 4, Latinos are incredibly focused on their family. One of the biggest priorities is God and family, right? So here's the opportunity there. What is life insurance for? It's to protect the family. And whenever you're having a conversation with a Latino family and you talk about their family, they want to do whatever they can. We want to do whatever we can to protect our loved ones, because that's a part of our culture. We are family first. I'm God first, then family first, but we are family centered. So to be able to protect the family and not leave them with debt, not leave them in burden, it's going to connect with our heart, not just our logic, but our heart. And that's how you make a large amount of sales, when you connect with people's heart. And last but not least, again, whether you agree with the stereotype or not, Latinos have big families. I come from a family where I had 4 siblings, so there was 5 of us. My mom had a total of 10 siblings. My dad had a total of 10 siblings. Latinos know how to make babies. That's one thing we're very good at, right? So I have 2 kids myself. There'll be more in the future. I will throw that in there. But the opportunity there with large families comes a large amount of referrals. If as a Latino agent, you speak Spanish, you're family-centered, you know how to take care of your client, the referrals can be endless because there's lots of siblings, cousins, aunts, uncles, and as long as you do a good job, the referrals are going to come in. So here's what I recommend. If you are Latino, you feel overworked and underpaid, consider getting your life insurance license. Reach out to me. Look at the description below. Connect with me. I'd love to see how I can help you get your license. I do have agents all across the country, and specifically if you're here in the Dallas area, let's connect in person. With that said, God bless everybody. Bye-bye.